Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry for being away for a while. Today we're going to talk about this Pinpointer metal detector, one of the cheapest on the market, costing only about $10. This device has become very popular recently because of its low price, especially among beginners. In this video, we'll test how well it actually works, see if it's really worth buying, and then I'll open it to take a look at the circuit inside. We'll also discuss whether it can handle a bigger search coil or not. So let's get started. This device has a lot of critics. Some say it's weak, others say it's just a cheap product from Temu. But in this video, you'll discover the real truth. Is this Pinpointer metal detector really worth buying? And can it be a good choice for beginners in metal detecting? You'll find the purchase link from Temu in the description below. Let's start the test. This is the electronic circuit of the Pinpointer device. As we can see, it is relatively simple, yet smart at the same time. The circuit mainly relies on the search coil located at the front of the device, which acts as the primary metal sensor. When the coil approaches any metallic object, the electromagnetic properties around it change, and this change is converted within the circuit into an electrical signal that can be processed. The electronic chip then compares the signal, and if metal is detected, the device emits a sound or vibration to alert the user. Despite the simplicity of this circuit and the low cost of its components, it serves its purpose very well, especially for beginners in metal detecting. This circuit does not contain an advanced processor or the ability to distinguish between types of metals, but it is designed for very close-range searching, which is exactly the role of a pinpointer. For me, this device is more than enough for beginners. It can even handle a larger search coil, but it is not the best option. The simplicity of the device is not a weakness of the product, but a design that combines simplicity and intelligence to provide an effective device at the lowest cost.